literally. Let me see some IBW bounce with me right now. Bounce, 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 bounce. Here we go. Keep it going.
वेलकम बॅक टू द नोमॅडिक ओडिसी. सो आता तुम्ही कन्फ्यूज्ड असाल, कारण मागच्या व्लॉगमध्ये म्हणजे जस्ट आज सकाळच्या व्लॉगमध्ये मी असं डिक्लेअर केलं होतं की मी जाणार नाही, पण लक बोलतात ना, जस्ट राईड कंप्लीट करून घरी आलो आणि लकीली आमच्या क्लबमधला एक मित्र म्हणजे करण, त्याचं नाव आहे करण अकलूजकर, तर त्याच्याकडे एक ॲडिशनल पास होता. सो शेवटी इतकी हाईप झाल्यानंतर कॅन्सल होईल वाटलं. त्यानंतर आता हिअर आय ॲम इन लोणावळा, रिचिंग द लोकेशन. या व्लॉगला कसं झालं आहे की जास्त थांबून मला काय करता नाही आलं, कारण खूप क्विकली घडलं. मी हार्डली 12:30-1च्या दरम्यान घरी पोचलो. घरी पोचून जेवायला बसलो आणि जस्ट मला भरत, जो माझ्या पुढं क्लासिक चालवतो आहे, त्याचा फोन आला की यार पास अवेलेबल आहे करणकडून, तो तुला SMS करेल, पास देऊन टाकेल. सो जेवलो, कसं कसं आवरलं. इनफॅक्ट माझे फोन आणि गोप्रो पण चार्ज नव्हता, तर लकीली अर्धा तास मी चार्ज केला आणि कसा बसा इथून निघालो आहे. तर आता वाजले 3:30 आणि मी क्लाइंब करतो आहे लोणावळ्याचा तो छोटासा घाट. सो एक्सायटेड अँड बघू आता कसा होतो इव्हेंट. ऑलरेडी मी खूपसं मिस केलं आहे इव्हेंटमध्ये. एकदाचा कधी हा घाट संपतो आहे, कधी मी आंबे व्हॅलीच्या एअरस्ट्रीपला पोचतो आहे, असं झालं आहे मला. And here we are. Welcome to the Valley Run India Bike Week Special Edition just ahead. आत का सेम वे विथ हिम नहीं है, नहीं एक्चुअली वी आर एंटरिंग राइट नाउ. हाँ
तो आप एक काम कीजिए, पार्क कर लीजिए बैग, उसके बाद कलेक्ट कर लीजिए बैग, उसके बाद बैग के साथ आप अंदर यूज करें.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
A few moments later.
Welcome to the Nomadic Odyssey, and I've reached in IBW.
Gentlemen, that is Mr. Brother.
Engine stall. Once again, we have Benin, Clutchless, Risa Chick, and Shippy Shikla on stage.
Thank you.
Welcome to This was the launch of the DC Brothers Suspenders.
My special edition first for you. This is custom built by YC Design. So YC Design is Yogi Chavali. Dennis Firoz is riding on his bike corner. And Firoz is now keeping the all about our group known as 100% Nerd. This is what our every region is all together and we call it as our one
So खूप गर्दी आहे, तुम्ही बघू शकता.
There are specific things that they are going to do well, some things that they're not going to do well, and so everything is not required for the country. There are a few brands that do better things, and we should keep those instead of just keeping everything of the same brand.
Thank you, Piyush. And Piyush, one last question. If the people need to get in touch with you, what's the easiest way and how do they reach you?
So we've got a website, it's called pathpavers.in. We're based out of Delhi.
Okay, I also have a track bike XR.
He owns BMWs?
Yeah.
Two of them.
So I have everything what you can for your biking needs.
Okay.
994, 2-stroke, 4-stroke. So I'm going to start very soon a renting service for my stable. This is what this guy is always teasing me, but yeah, that's my passion, but I will never rent. Sunny Dore, okay, Broden also rents bike. Yeah, we manura.
So he's going to run you all of the business basically. Maybe you have to start something like that.
Very partnership kar le mere saath.
Alright, my next question to you is how often do you have to service these spare parts available? What's up with that?
Department with Yogi, so he's the one who actually helps us. He's got a lot of things to pay, and the reason that is we have to take care of our
Yogi man?
So Yogi is our man, and I'm giving the mic to
Yes, please.
He can answer this.
Yes, right in the mayor's mouth. Yogi, what is the answer to those questions? Like how often do you have to service them? What's the upkeep on something like this? What's the spare parts?
If you abuse the motorcycles, then of course you're going to end up spending it all. Because maintaining
Note, ladies and gentlemen, you can follow him. That's Amit Kapani, the man himself, the super happy man right here. Find him at Crazy Kapoor. That's KRAZYKAPPU, Crazy Kapoor. And feel free to talk to him. Where's your stall, by the way? Where's your stall? Point them towards your stall.
So my stall is on extreme left, right behind this Moto Cafe.
Hey man, we're all pointing in different directions.
No, left, behind Moto Cafe.
There, behind Moto Cafe.
Exactly behind Moto Cafe.
Right, okay.
Okay, you
Super.
can see my itinerary there, and you can see all my friends there. We are partying there. You guys are welcome.
Super. Go say hello, give them fist bumps. Alright, we will see you around. Thank you so much for being on stage with us, man.
Thank you very much.
A big shout out to his family on stage. Do that in the space behind the Motor Cafe. Feel free to walk up to them, have conversations with them. That was Crazy Kapoor himself on stage with us and his little fighting family. A few announcements for you all. You all can just listen to the sound of my voice while you do what you have to do this Sunday evening. We have the evolution of motor content with Malvari and Catgirl and Puno Bika at the big flip stage, so head over there.
This is Partha from KRRC. हां माझ्या गाडीसाठी हो हां हां बघा ना
I asked him some question, just record.
ADV साठी विचारायचं मला पण आलं ADV 390 को मैच होएगा क्या ये
ADV 390 लग जाएगा.
एंड हाउ मच
You need a bigger, that is 53,000.
ओके एंड स्मॉलर वंस
Solo single leg?
या
One side or both side?
Yeah, for both sides. I mean, a smaller version.
All over?
Yeah.
All over will cost around 25,000.
Okay.
I'll just fucking let the stem sit that one.
बिहार के बाजू में पानी है. ये कौन सा
I want to ask about lamps that match an ADV 390.
ADV 390. Basically, the thing is that you have LEDs in this retro look right now.
Okay. So any chances in the future if you are making
Yeah,
for
we
ADV?
will be not anytime soon.
Okay.
Just 6 months from now, we'll be going for it.
All right. So what is the range range these are available?
See, the halogen ones are start from 850 onwards,
Okay.
and the LEDs are for 5,000 a pair.
Great. Thank you. Free t-shirt? A free t-shirt? If we follow you on Instagram. Just a second. Huh?
I'm going to wear it right now.
Okay, sure. No problem.
Follow us on Instagram, shall we?
Yeah. Just a second. Let me. आणि मराठी चॅनल मेन म्हणजे. सो हे आहे आपल्या मित्राचं स्टोर, द क्रिएटर्स को. हाय. पॅचेस, लेबल्स. पिंपरी चिंचवडचा स्टोर, इंडियन मोटर रश.
हाय.
हाय. या आमच्या ताई.
हॅलो.
हाय. द लेजेंडरी बाईक. ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट. कंप्लीट इम्पोर्ट कार्स आणि सुपर कार्सचं इकडं डिस्प्लेला लावल्यात. DC अवंती दिसते. मॉडिफाईड अकॉर्ड. पॉर्श वगैरे पण येतात. लेट्स गो फ्रॉम हियर. रुबिकॉन जीप.
आगे बंदना का